So today I'm going to cook bogas guys for our breakfast. This is our breakfast. Our breakfast is kind of late already. It's around one let me see 1:44 p.m. here in the Philippines guys. So this is the bogas that I'm going to cook. Yeah, this is the one. Four pieces. I'm gonna fry that in the pan. So and I'm going to slice this what do you call it, tomato, onion, and I forgot the name. Cucumber. Oh, I see. I remember. You don't need to put oil on this one, right?
A little bit. Very
Yeah,
little. Oh,
just
wipe it. Oh, this oil?
yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, just spread it. Just a little because oil is going to come out. Hello Jane, Jacob, how are you?
Welcome to my life. Bogas. Nagluto ako ng bogas for breakfast. Yung breakfast namin late na. Hello, Lodis. Kain tayo. Ayan yung niluto ko. Ano yun? Wait. Ano ko na nga lang. Ayan. Ayan yung bogas namin dito. Kain tayo. Then, nag-slice ako ng pipino. Isang tub ng adobo.
You really are becoming too much of a pain now. You know that? No matter how much I tell you, you don't listen. I'm telling you, you are cracking this tie. You cannot see, open your eyes. I can see my thing. I can see what's happening in this one. I know the value of this thing. You cannot replace them. inside the hole, no? And get to but it's tight first. You do it right.
But wait, may hands is ano. You'll do it that bit after ano. Yeah. Us?
Yeah.
Yeah. This the only one pala is
Yeah. We don't need that many onions, but you can cook some.
yeah. Yeah, I'm going to cook that some. This burger John is like this talaga is like hard.
Yeah, it's really hard. Just make some holes, but it's okay. The taste is okay. It tastes like there's something inside. I mean, mixed. So I know this is 100% pure beef, but mix it with something. But the taste is okay. It's not that bad. But I have this, so we need to put it. If you want to put it on the back, that's the on the app store. See.
Okay. You gonna have tea?
So you can take the milk, take the watermelon.
This is the onion guys that I slice. Onion, cucumber, and tomato for our burgers. So I'm going to cook some of onions. One only, one thing.
Not yet. Get your slipper stomach side.
That's it, you know, ginait be that's it.
Finish it, Klein?
Finish. Cooking done, guys. That's the burger. It's actually it's two kinds of burgers. This one. One is from the Arab
One is
store,
Angus beef,
and one
and
is
the other
Angus.
three is from the Arab store. They make to be 100% mixed for
Yep. And I'm cooking this onion. Yeah, I'm cooking this onion, guys. Excuse me. To put in the burgers.
Okay, what are you going to eat?
Hindi yan tinitimpla sa ano, be. Sa cold. Kailangan mainit mo muna yan para maluto yung ano. Ha? Okay, it's done. So that's the burgers, guys. Let's eat. This is our breakfast. Diyan kami pasay. Be careful, that's all.
You go.
Did you see this?
I know. Just put it on one side. So the number is okay.
Please, yes. Having breakfast. Yeah, it's not covered.
We have cheese.
Oh yeah, I was like, yeah. And we need to.
It's up to you. You want to put in the one? We need to fix this. We need to say style.
Yeah, I would like to pick that Philippine style.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's not cheese, but it is what it is. That's why you want to put mayonnaise and then I'll take it. Was it you done eating or you can make your noodles or something?
Guys,
You need a plate out here.
enough.
Oh, you put food. Yeah, yeah. Make a party. Yeah. Leave it in the plate.
Maybe with
So you take what you want.
yeah, I pick this.
Oh, put the cheese.
Ooh,
Oh, you only eating one?
I take it too. Read.
Put it up. I was like, what are you doing that to me? Don't do that. Put it. Okay.
Okay.
You want me to take the back or not yet, maybe?
Not yet. So this is our breakfast. Burgers, guys. Going to put cooking bowl on here. And I'm going to put tomato. And onion.
You don't want this, right? The spicy ketchup.
No. You, wow. Look at that. This is called homemade burgers. Wow.
Better
Full
than
of
McDonald's.
Right? So let's eat, guys. Take a bite.
Oh, wait. Can I have this one? You don't want this either.
Mmm.
Jalapeno. Good?
Good. Hello, Michael. Yeah, it's me again.
Eh?
having breakfast,
Lunch and breakfast.
homemade burgers. Hello, Kawam. How are you? I got 2 hours of sleep. You still know my surrounding. Haha. I thought you didn't sleep for 3 days. Let's eat.
You didn't take your name?
I do. Are you at pizza? That was your dinner. This is like our breakfast and lunch. We wake up late. Breakfast rocks. Mm-hmm. Abigail, the the singer. Okay. It's good you had a 3 hours and 2 hours sleep. Good, you know?
This burger, I forgot. One is enough. It's so heavy duty.
I play vampire music with it too. Oh, you had 2 to 3 hours. Okay. You passed out, why? Snake, snake sleep attack. Ah, because you didn't sleep. That's why. It's like this is really bad.
Yeah. With the heat.
Same thing on this one.
Yeah. Sure. Very heavy.
Ah, lol.
like it or no?
You should, yeah. You should stop doing that. Yeah. I'm not going to waste it. So I guess you're enjoying it. Another Filipina eating with her mouth open child. Hello, Gigi. Gigi moves. How are you? Let's eat. Having breakfast. I'm eating burgers. Well, I'm stuck. I can save money legally anyway. Why you cannot save money? Because it's from the government? Yeah. It's got support from the government. It's not working. So you can't save money? It's from the government? Oh yeah, you need to spend it.
No. Can't say. I mean, there's nothing left.
Ah, so you need to save. You need to spend it so that they will give you.
No. Nothing left is not enough. That's what it means. They cannot say means. It means that there's nothing left. After buying things. Not enough money.
Oh, I see.
But this is okay, also the cheaper. I thought it was okay. Cheaper. And one is enough. Heavy duty.
Food stamps. I'm on SSI. I'm food stamp.
Oh, they can put some. You are a poor person.
If you are on food stamp, you can't have money saved. Oh, I see.
The government gives you, to buy food, money, something. And the cost, of things, is generally not enough if you don't have any savings. Generally. Food stamps is only given to them who fall under the poverty line.
Well, at least you have government like that that will
Yeah.
support you.
Everybody, yeah.
You know, over here in the Philippines, it's not like that.
Yeah, sure.
You will die hunger. You will live in the street. It's always
Did you put
corruption.
mayonnaise?
Yeah, I did put
A lot of countries don't do that. It's only the Western countries.
yeah.
You know when you're ready to go there. Okay, can I have... No, give me this one. No, this one. Yeah. You're done, isn't it?
Yeah. Hyatt pizza, why not? So I guess you enjoy it. So this is my second burgers.
You want to put the mayonnaise back if you want to close it?
Yeah.
Close it up. You have the knife also. The knife.
I have a second life. Yeah, you have black magic, so you will live. Wow, look how fluffy is this. My music and invisible friends. That's why you're getting high. Good.
Because today, if you get a chance, you can go to the bank.
Yeah.
If you get a chance, you want to get some hundreds, want to get ready with the money. You take 10,000 hundred. No, that should be enough. For every day, whatever, no? Just the hundred. We have some money if you need over there, so. You ready for your coffee?
Yeah. I can make real life robot outside. The movie when I'm done. Let us see. 1 hour later.
You bring the vitamin.
Vitamins?
You take it night time, or I'll bring it for you.
No, later.
That time you take it. So you can, I will be sleeping.
You're sleeping in. Giving one of the next week.
Yeah.
I'm waiting. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, this one? Huh?
I don't know.
No, you like it? You do packet.
No, I would like the advanced one.
Yeah.
I didn't like salty.
Salty?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe. I think the cheese. Cheese is also salty.
Because everyone gets tired of the point. This is the golden point or silver point. That is natural effect. Yeah, I think they mix something with this one.
Yeah. They don't tell you.
It's not pure. Why is
Yep.
that other one?
That's what I'm saying. Taste is okay, but still, it's not pure. They don't tell you. It just says pure. It's not. It's something mixed.
Yeah. Mm. Wala.
But I know where it is. You know.
That's why you're enjoying it. I guess that's your life.
Heavy.
Yeah. Because they mix it.
Yeah.
Yep, kinda. There's the illuminate. Do not do. Coffee. Yeah. I'm having coffee. Yeah, I'm having coffee. Yeah, hot coffee. I prefer sugar than healthy stuff because it's tasty. What do you mean sugar? The coffee that I usually drink is we call it 3-in-1. It's 3 flavor.
Not three flavor.
No,
One flavor,
Oh yeah,
one milk, one sugar, one coffee.
yeah. It has milk already. It has sugar already.
Done.
Yeah.
Thank you. Satisfied? Oh, you finished it without any problem.
I wanted to see that one.
Huh?
It's gonna need to heavy.
No, but you finished it.
Yeah, without
Yes.
coffee. Yeah.
That's what I mean. I think that was smart, baby. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's cheaper, but it does not look like it's pure. And it's big. The pack is so big.
Hot is good than cold coffee. Finished having breakfast. Now I'm drinking my coffee. So are you going to sleep? Two thousand. Never and never. Vampire in the jungle.
Huh? Right. Oh my god.
Sana all.
The later gonna come out. Oh god.
Sana all. Sana all dyan. Oh, too much full. Look like I've ate a lot.
Yeah, I told you the last one was very heavy.
And Christmas tree. So you are two in one. You are two in one. You are Jesus and you are a vampire. That's good. Let me wash my hands. Excuse for a while. Though I'm afraid of people's silly ways. If the woman still I die. The big red color red on your screen looks like emergency light. All the right. What you mean red? Brown thing, which one? That's my bag. It's behind me. Yeah, behind me this one. It's my bag. You are high. That's why. This is done. Right? You make me laugh by saying that. What a cheer. You have neighbor there or you live alone? Looks it's a ghost. Which one? I pay your rent. Oh, I see. So it's apartment. I live with my brother. Oh. So you have brother. You have also sister? Do you have sister? Nice. Oh, you have five. Mm. So you have three. You have two brothers and two sisters. One half. Oh. So you get a lot. Why? Where's your family? Us is like it's far from Texas. 7 hours travel. It's a countryside in Texas. So you divide bike. That's cool. Bike is good also. Make you exercise. That's nice. I like twist also. Yeah, you should do bike. Yeah, I was lag.
Spray alcohol pump.
Hmm. Hello, Scott. How are you? Good afternoon to you too. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys, and welcome to my live. How you doing, Scott? Yeah, I'm good too. Just finished my breakfast. I cooked burgers, and I had two burgers actually with coffee. It's beautiful weather today. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that's Manila V. I'm relaxing, Mary. You had a good breakfast. Yeah, I do. I enjoy my breakfast. Burgers with coffee. Yeah, this is our view from our balcony. And that's the yacht club right there. That's the Manila Bay. It's nice to walk when it's afternoon. It's hot, really hot, guys. So it's nice to walk when it's afternoon, like it's not that hot. Yeah, it's nice. It's great, Michael. It's nice to walk and bike there. Like mostly people do go the exercise, jogging, walking also. And we go there also to feed the stray cat because it's a lot of stray cat there and stray dogs. Mostly we bring food for them. Yeah, it is. It's always hot. Yeah, but sometimes it's raining also. I love all the clips you got there, Handy. Yeah, even if the voice is very strong, they're still there. Yeah, the weather today is good. It's great. Yeah. Yes, you have your rainy season. Yeah, our rainy season is sometime mostly start August, then August, September, October, November until December. That's the rainy season. But when it's come to rainy season, it's not like every day it's raining. Like once a week, twice a week raining, something like that. Was blowing up and all. Yeah, seems less hot today. Yeah, today is not that really hot. When it's summer, it's mostly summer here. It's March, April, and May. Yeah, that's the month that it's really summer, like it's really hot. That's the summertime in the Philippines. Yeah, Philippines. Maybe did you like Angeles City? Yeah, I do like Angeles City. But the thing is, we only went in that walking street. I never go to the other side of Angeles City. Yeah, it's nice, because Angeles City is like it's a lot of choices, especially when it's come to food. Like a lot of foreign food also that you can choose. You're planning to go there? I was thinking Jaffis. What is Jaffis, Michael? Angeles is great to hang out. Oh, you was there already. When? That was when is that? When you 2 months ago? Did you like it? Yeah, every time we went there, we enjoy. We hang out. Yeah, it is because you know why? It is expensive. The house over there expensive, and there's the subdivision that we visit in Pampanga. It's so expensive. I don't know how they can afford that. Yeah, it's nice to visit, not to live. I love anime, by the way. Sometimes I watch anime, but most of the time I watch action and horror movie. Like last night, I just watched horror movie. And so you like a suspense movie, like I want to know who killed this person. You know that kind of movie, suspense. Yes, it is expensive. You know that BGC and Makati can also get expensive. Yeah, it is too much expensive, BGC. Sometimes we visit BGC. And the condo over there, the house is so expensive. And you can't live without the car because there's no transportation there. I mean, you can walk, but if you go somewhere like buy groceries, you need a car if you live in BGC. Detective, yeah. I like kind of, we like that kind of movie, Michael. We like detective. Hello, Trackers Coach, Save Israel. Yeah, this Israel's keep keep getting and getting, right? Never finish. Feel sad for people, you know. It's better to live some in the province, you know. Like you can have fish food, fish vegetable, and it's much cheaper than in Manila. Maybe a gold medal for the Pinoy gymnast. Yeah, yeah, I heard about that. You know, he got a gold medal, and how much he win? My God, he's gonna be a millionaire. You know, he's lucky. He has the talent. Good luck, Israel. Is family's flag. See, selfie from Michael. Equano. Did you been in Boracay also, Scott? You been in Boracay? He got a condo from he got a condo from Mega World, and he will make millions on endowments now. Yeah, yeah, he got a condo. And I think that condo, how much is that? It is also expensive, that condo, right? No, not yet. You should visit Boracay. It's nice. And a lot of choices when it's come to the food. And right there on the beach only. A lot of restaurant and a lot of activities. We've been in Boracay uh, 3 times. No, 4 times already. I've been in Boracay 4 times. And I always want to go there all the time. Because it's a lot of activities, and the food, it's a lot of choices also. And it's not that bad. The price is not that bad. Hello, Lester. Nasa Manila po. The environment. What do you mean the environment, Michael? I will be in Cebu in September, so I will check it out. Barangay. No, Boracay. Boracay. Yeah, Cebu also is nice. We've been in Cebu once. So you're coming again this year? Oh, so you like the Philippines, huh? We are also going this coming 15 on Bohol, and that's our second time. I forgot, Lo, something you said. Oh yeah, the food and stuff. Oh yeah, one of the islands here in the Philippines is great to visit, and because the yeah, like what you said, the environment, the food and stuff, it's nice. It's nice the island to visit this Boracay. I will be buying my retirement home. Oh, in Cebu. So you choose the Cebu to place to live. This Cebu is nice, but I don't know yet. I mean, we only visit once. Old Bean. I fell in love with the Philippines when I went there. Cebu or Pasig City, I'm looking at. Pasig City, it's always flood water, so I guess it's not good for you to live. I mean, Pasig City is close to Manila, but then it's always had a flood water. Every time when it's have a typhoon, Pasig is the number one always have. I'm 45, I guess I'm retired. You also you're already retired, Michael. You're not working. You're already retired, right? Lucky you. Ismail, I heard about the river always overflows. Yeah, because the Pasig River, that's the Pasig River. Every time when it's raining here in the Philippines, let's say it will raining for 2 days, never stop. Then the river it will overflows right away because there's a big river there in Pasig. The only good thing is because you are close to Manila. If you want to travel or a lot of tourist spot here in Manila, and the food also you can buy because it's close. It's a lot of option here. Cebu is nice also to live. We have river that floods and really floods back in 1954. So that is close to your place? Yes, centrally located. I want to enjoy the culture of your street food and markets. Well, then in that case, you should choose that is close to Manila. How about Cavite? Did you try to look in Cavite? Who knows? Here in the Philippines, Michael, especially in Manila, it's always have flood water, especially when the raining is never stop for even just 3 hours straight raining. It's right away it has the flood water. No, I will check it out, Cavite. Thank you. Yeah, you should check it out because I mean, there's a lot of option also in Cavite, and that's the place that they have. It's close here in Manila, and it's much safer than Pasig. There's no flood water. I mean, maybe they have flood water some of the areas, but not all areas in Cavite. It was close to river, but we moved last year. My brother's wife job. Oh, I see. You got a lot of boats. Yeah, in Manila Bay, we got a lot of boats. We are close in the ocean. Salamat po. You're welcome. Before, we've been looking also place in Cavite. Just be careful when you bought. Make sure that it's the right owner or there's, the right legal papers on that. I live near Twisters. What is Twisters? It's a river or yeah. So it means you're gonna be living here in the Philippines very soon. Ah, Twister. That's dangerous. Ah, tornadoes. That's dangerous if you live close to the tornadoes. Yes, Mary, I will be there for the start of Christmas. Wow. Then you will enjoy spending Christmas. So, it's mean that you're retired. You're gonna be retiring here in the Philippines. I was in the army. Also, you was army before. Ah, so that's why you having back pain. You got that from your work before. Yes, Mary, I will be living the rest of my life in the Philippines. Well, that's great. Congratulations. I guess you don't have a problem with the food. I was a specialist. Oh, I see. You're the second person I asked that, but why? I thought you got that from your job. I love the food the most will buy. Oh, I see. Mary, do you still talk to Anne and Chap Dubsy? Yeah, yeah, we're still chatting. We are because we are friends on Facebook, and we are friends on Facebook. So we still chatting. We have connection. Leave her. Michael, you're not sleepy yet? Friends are great, yeah. But you need to choose the good friends. Because there's also friends that make you do bad. Yeah, you are friendly. You have a lot of friends, right? Invisible friends. Your eyebrows are perfect. Do you wax or trim? Uh, I just shave it. I just shave it here. No, you reminded me.
Hmm? You want the protein now?
I didn't have like 30 friends. You have a lot of friends then. Really?
Yeah, I can do it. I throw that bottle, use a new bottle for that.
What bottle?
Okay, put that up. Ah, it's okay. Only there's a glass in it. Give me that. Just change the color.
But we will all do this hanging up. Lul. I moved from when I went out seeing world. I don't want like friends. Smarter. I was in the Air Force. I would go to Angeles City once every 3 years. Also, you've been going to Angeles City since before then. So next visit, you are going to Cebu. Coming? That is coming. Air Force Rocks. Malap.
Yeah, you can find this and give me one. So, right.
I was in the army for 8 years. Wow, 8 years. That's why you retired early. I'm coming to purchase my retirement home, so it's maybe Cebu or Makati or from Cavite. Also, you're gonna choose those places. I know someone who also like a agent. She was agent. I mean, not was. She's agent in housing in Cavite. All the stupid exercise at 5 a.m. Yeah, sometimes I watch that, in the video, like how you do exercise. It's hard, right? And they make you swim in the mud. It is. In the army, you have to stay up for 24 hours a lot. Wow. So it's not that easy. I mean, when you work as army, I did 15 years. After at AP, then went to Homeland Security. Wow, 15 years. Yep, man. That's great. It's funny walk. They try to mentally to break you down in the army. Yeah, most of that, like, because when I watch movie, all the movie I'm watching, like, they are mentally breakdown because of the experience when you are fighting with the other, right? That's why some of them, like, imagination, like imagination, they're fighting. I mean, it's not that easy if you are working as an army. Because I always watch movie, like, that kind of movie. Sometimes like story, how they survive. Stay away from me. Have a good day. Have a good day to you too, Michael. You have to be mentally dito to withstand any pain or fear. Yeah. You need to be strong. Maybe it was pleasure chatting with you. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much, Scott. Likewise. And take care. And good night. Probably you're going to sleep now. Oh, it may be probably it's morning to your time. It's 2:37 a.m. here. Oh, I see. Yeah, you're going to sleep now. We are 13 hours apart. Oh, I see. I thought it's 12 hours. We are 3:39. So if it's probably 11 hours. Oh, I see. So the all different time zone. I see. I see. Yeah, yeah, you're two. Yeah, we are three something here. I see. 13 house different. Mary, where are you from in the Philippines? I'm from Surigao, part in Mindanao, close to Siargao Islands. Saya, Surigao. So Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this live. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next live again.